What were kind of some of your initial concerns, or what kinds of things were you thinking about that you wanted to go ahead and avoid, like roadblocks and things, to make sure that this new technology didn't really cause a problem in the classroom or cause any kind of a setback?
Yeah, so when it comes to technology, I think that especially in education, you're running into a lot of teachers. You can have some that are very excited or very hesitant to adopt new technology. And that's a huge roadblock because anytime you bring something new into the classroom, our teachers are like, okay, one, how long are we going to have this? Are we going to have this for a long time? Is it even worth my investment to get to learn how to use this tool? Two, am I going to have this kind of support that I need in order to use this tool well? And I think that for me specifically, as I came into this role and I was handed BenQ as my baby, I just really tried to step back and think about what kind of support that I would want if I was trying to adopt something new. And it kind of looked different initially. I, for one, started at a very kind of hesitant approach, really, more like reaching out to buildings and saying, hey, I'm here to support you if needed, to teachers individually when they had questions or scheduling time with them. And then we got really more intentional about training this year. And that has been really good.
I would say for districts that are adopting a new technology like this, making sure there's someone on your training team with an instructional background is key.